Present your PDFs properly. Because PDFs can share a lot of information quickly and effectively. But make sure don't bore your visitors with those backdated PDF readers. Show PDF files as an interactive flipbook that feels like a real book. Introducing PDF FlipBook, a hosted solution for your PDFs and flipbooks. Create flipbooks from PDF and images easily. There are both flipbook and PDF viewer options. You can show your PDF with an amazing reader too. First, let's check out the flipbook mode. This flipbook gives real-like PDF reading experience. Next is the vertical scrolling. In this mode, visitors scroll the PDF from top to bottom. Now let's see the horizontal scrolling. In this mode, the PDF will be scrolled from left to right, perfect for side-by-side view. Now let's talk about the available themes. Midnight Calm, Material Blue, Lewis Purple, Sea Green, Aqua White, and Smart Red. Another feature is creating viewers with custom colors. Select Custom Color from the Appearance tab, and you will get 3 options: primary color, secondary color, and text color. Choose any color you want and create a unique viewer on your own. As you can see, here a unique viewer has been created without writing a single line of code. Another amazing feature is creating viewers with custom background image. Turn on the Use Background Image option from the Appearance tab. Then select the image that you want to show as the background of the viewer. Click Update, and you're done. You can see that a viewer is created with a custom background image. Now let's check out the different toolbar positions. Top full width, bottom full width, top center, and bottom center. The next feature is different icon sizes. Pay a look at the top bar, and you can see 3 different sizes of icons. Another feature that makes it unique is the flip sound. Here's another interesting feature. PDF FlipBook can work with special PDFs too. If you have a password-protected PDF, then it will ask for the password before showing the PDF. Your visitors will be able to fill out the forms if the PDF contains a fillable form. All the links inside the PDF will be clickable and will work perfectly. If you select the bookmark mode, then all the bookmarks will be shown in the left sidebar. Hiding the download button is also possible with this model. And the print option can also be hidden. How to use PDF FlipBook. At first, you need to come to this official PDF FlipBook site. On this page, you will see all the information about the There are various pricing options available, and you can choose according to your sweet will. You can also get a 7-day free trial with any of these plans. After getting a subscription, you can move to the next step. Here you will get a dashboard where you can see all the information about your account. You can create flipbooks from your PDFs here. After creating Flipbook, you can see all your flipbooks listed, and all you need to do is just to copy the embed link. Then you can paste it anywhere you want, and your flipbook will be accessible from there. This is the most easiest way to create a flipbook without writing any code. Here you can see I have pasted the embed code on my website and created a link. Here's the result. 100 plus viewer languages, smooth flip experience, image to flipbook and many more, only possible with PDF FlipBook. For more information, visit www.pdfflipbook.com.